The final fallacy that we're going to discuss is the appeal to novelty. And this is kind of the opposite of the appeal to tradition. The appeal to novelty argues that because something is new, it is therefore superior to something that is older. The argument doesn't necessarily tell you why this new thing is better, but just like in the comic with the two folks who were trying to sell their cure-all ointment, people believe that it must be better. It says here that it's new. And this type of argument is used all the time in advertisements. You'll see commercials that always tout their new and improved product without ever telling you what those new improvements are. And I also tend to think of the iPhone when I think of the appeal to novelty. Every single year, there's a new iPhone that is released, and it's touted as the new iPhone. And a lot of people are like, ooh, it's new, therefore it's better. But in reality, each iPhone is only marginally better than the last. And in some cases, the new iPhone might not be better than the last. I think of the move from the iPhone 6S to the iPhone 7 when they lost the headphone jack. The iPhone 6S still had a 3.5mm headphone jack for normal headphones, whereas the iPhone 7 didn't, and you needed an adapter in order to use traditional headphones. In the opinion of a lot of people, myself included, that made the iPhone 7 worse, even though it was new, quote unquote. So just because something is touted as being new doesn't necessarily mean that it is better than something that is old.